Hey guys, Pretzel here. Welcome back to another video. And by the title, I'm pretty sure you know what this is. This is the unboxing video for the Neca Godzilla King of the Monsters Godzilla 2019 figure. I just picked this up not too long ago from my local GameStop. Like I did say, they might have it Monday, which is, obviously today. And they did have him, and they called us, and we went there and picked it up. So we're gonna open this, my X-Acto knife. I've been really anticipating on this figure. But before we open them up, take a look at the box. Again, I kind of still am a little bit 50-50 on the box. I'll try to not get the glare on it. Sorry about that. It looks interesting, and looking at the figure inside the box, I can't really tell. You can only see the reflection of my iPad screen. But the face on mine doesn't look to be that as bad as some others, as far as I can tell, because that's the only thing I've seen being a problem. So, and out of the box. Ooh, yes, the nice fresh smell of plastic. As you can tell, right there. Doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't look terrible. Touch. I got my useful scissors. Cut that off. Cut off the bone. I'll probably do it from this end. Yeah, that'll do it from this end. I could just do the twist ties, but I find this solution being a lot more easier. I'll drop you out. There's another thing for the freaking. I think I can just use the X-Acto knife for this one. Tail. Come on. Got that part. They like freaking tripled wrapped the tail for some reason. There we go. Got the tail out. Put the X-Acto knife away so I don't cut myself. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. There's the tail. It's a little stiff, as usual, from NECA figure. First impressions so far. Looks pretty good. The eyes on mine seem to be actually really good. They're not perfect, but I don't think there's really like a lazy eye or anything. Yeah. If it would focus, I don't know. I need a better camera. This is the best camera I have, so sorry, not sorry. Does the jaw open? Yes, the jaw does open. I don't want to do too much pressure on this because I don't want to end up messing up one of the joints like I did with the 1962 figure. But it does seem some of the joints are pretty good right now, but I don't want to force too much on it. I think my head might be a little loose, but that could just be me. But again, I don't want to put too much pressure on it because I don't want to end up breaking it, because that'd suck. Nice, it feels nice, and it's not too heavy. I kind of feel like the legs are a little loose, especially the right leg, like right here maybe. It feels a little loose. And obviously, I have, put that right there. The tail seems a little tight in some areas, and I'm having some paint chips coming off, which is, you know, as long as it doesn't make it obvious that there's missing paint, then it's not really a big deal. I have seen that, like, the paint kind of makes the joints stiff on the figures. I think I have one right here that seems to be stiff, and I just got it. Yeah. And I'm not gonna try and put the tail on now. I mean, I guess I can. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm not gonna try and force that on. My cat's over here. What is that? Is that a box? You gonna start biting it? Freaking weirdo. Detail-wise, looks absolutely amazing. The articulation might be a little off. It's obviously not going to be as great as the SS Monster Arts, which I will be pre-ordering this weekend. Can't wait for that. My pre-thoughts on this, it looks pretty good. Not really sure if I'm going to be using this guy for stop motions yet. I think I might try once I get my, what's it called? Tripod. I'll try to do some stop motions, and I'll try to figure out see how much, what kind of points of articulation this has. Because I have heard that it has 10 points of articulation on the tail, which would be the most articulation on any NECA tail. But yeah, as far as I can tell, this figure looks pretty good. And my rating is going to be 9.5 out of 10. Maybe even 10 out of 10? I don't know. But it may drop, it may stay the same, it may go up. I'm not really sure. But I will let you guys know when the review comes out. So, this is the unboxing video, obviously. So I really hope you enjoyed my first reactions on it. And I hope to see... I put you in right there. And I hope to see you in the further review. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.